Another video for you guys with more great information. This time we're talking about something which happened on Friday with AMC alongside another piece of info that we do have. Once more, we are intending to spread the good news on this channel regarding AMC and get the message out there. So if you do enjoy the content that you see, make sure to give it a like and do subscribe as well, because as you all know, we make multiple videos like this every single day, and that is going to be the case going forwards as well. But do remember once more, this is not financial advice and it should be taken as nothing more than entertainment. But with that being said, we are going to jump in and we're going to look at what we're seeing first from this user on Twitter, which is Nathan G. So it says, based on brokers who report, buy orders were 300% higher than sell orders. This means that orders are not being filled. At Gary Gainsler, answer me this and I will never insult you again. How can the stock that has a line of buy orders tank in price if that is the case, if we do have a line of buy orders? It just doesn't make sense logically. And again, this is pointing back to the manipulation that we have been speculating on for a very long time, but the more we go on to find out, the more it becomes apparent and the more obvious it becomes. So what we're seeing now is something that just doesn't make sense if we look at the actual facts. But when we look at that, that is one thing that we've known for a long time. The real topic for the video is what we're going to be sharing here from this user, Scott C1, stock trader. You can see their at there as well. We're going to be looking through this one because I think it is a good piece of DD. I have some good news for AMC. We broke the algorithms today. Today being Friday, by the way. And this was at the point when the price dropped below $20 around 1 p.m. At that point, the volume spiked up to almost 12 million in an hour and started the divergence between the algos and lit buying pressure. Read below and we do have more comments to go on. So that's the first of many. The next one goes on to continue to elaborate, and it speaks about the fact that what does this mean? It means that we found a focal point in price when they pushed AMC down below 20. They created lit buying pressure as they were trying to cover their daily short positions. This is how it's done when you correctly play against short positions. The next comment goes on to say, this happened very quickly and the algos did not respond until the end of trading. As you can see by the blue circle in the picture, the algos then started to shift into an upwards motion, which is a buy signal for them. But the day ended. FOMO kicked in when AMC fell below $19 or below $20, I think, as we already know. And like I said before, many people were and did and still will be looking to buy in at prices below 20. So I do think there is something to be said for that. Anyway, the next piece that he has is this, speaking about the fact that if we have a look at what it says, when the market opens on Tuesday, we may see these morons make another attempt to push AMC below 20 again. And if this happens, then that is your buy signal if you're going to increase your position in AMC. Everybody should take note and adopt this strategy. Now, once more, I must reiterate, this is only this individual's opinion and it should not be taken as financial advice. You should only add to your position or sell from your position when you are comfortable, but really I do get what the person is trying to say. I think they're trying to highlight to something that we've known for a long time now. $20 was going to be a big point both for apes and probably for the algos as well, in the sense that many people have seen the price now falling, and as I have said myself, since about $30, this was an eventuality that we were running the risk of, touching below 20. And I do still think it is the case that we could drop further. But I think at the moment $20 could possibly be a nice level of support. And who knows, this could absolutely be the bottom now with AMC. Come out to the 2-year chart and the 5-year chart if it will allow us, and we can see that massive drop that we've sustained for a very long time. Obviously from the highs that we have seen very recently. So yeah, you're seeing this one now on the 5-year. We're seeing that massive spike up and then we're coming back down. Now if we have a look at other stocks like Volkswagen, who had a similar potential for a short squeeze, it did see something along those lines. It did see this big point where it rocketed up and then it came back down over a long period of time, but from there it went even higher. So is that what we're going to see with AMC? I do not know, but I do think if the user who posted that information is, accurate on their predictions, we are in a very strong position with AMC. I mean, we have been for a long time anyway, but I think it is becoming very apparent. And once more, not everybody got to utilize that price of $20 sub, as in 1998 or somewhere in that region. Bring it down there again on Tuesday, and who knows, more people may be in, more covering might happen as well, and of course, we may see a big increase in volume, which would be indicative of that. So, what are you guys' thoughts for Tuesday? Honestly, I think it could go either way, but I'm not too bothered. I am bullish on AMC, but I would not mind the price dropping a little bit lower so I could add to my position even more. That would absolutely make my day. Again, just my opinion, and it is not financial advice, but I do hope you enjoyed. And if you did, guys, do make sure to do me a favour by, of course, smashing the like button and subscribing. And as you know, I will be back with you guys in a couple of moments for another video. We're trying to get all of that good DD out there, so once again, if you can share it anywhere, please do. But that is it for this video, so I do hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in another one in just a little bit. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.